If your deck looks like a worn-out relic, you're missing out. Discover the future with Hardwood's composite decking. Imagine a deck that stays stunning, rain or shine. Composite decking from Hardwood is your answer to a long-lasting, hassle-free outdoor oasis. Why settle for traditional timber when you can have something that's not only beautiful but also incredibly durable and eco-friendly? Traditional timber decking might look charming at first, but it needs constant upkeep, sanding, staining and sealing. Composite decking? None of that. Say goodbye to regular maintenance and save your weekends for what really matters. Worried about safety? Composite decking is slip-resistant, making it perfect for our rainy Northern Ireland weather. Plus, it's made from recycled materials, so you're doing your bit for the planet while creating a gorgeous outdoor space. And here's the kicker. Composite decking is built to last. It withstands the elements without warping, splintering, or fading. That's long-term value right there, saving you money and effort in the long run. At Hardwood, we pride ourselves on offering expert product advice tailored to your needs. Plus, with local delivery across Belfast, sprucing up your outdoor space has never been easier. So, landscapers and homeowners, it's time to make the smart choice. Choose composite decking from Hardwood and invest in a beautiful, durable and sustainable future for your outdoor spaces. Ready to make the switch? Visit our website or stop by our store in Belfast today. Hardwood. Quality you can trust every step of the way.